All right, here's a real nice unit here. This one here is literally never been installed on a truck. Like new unit. Basically, it is new, except that we have to sell it as used. But it's a Cab High CX series by ARE. It fits the 09 to 18 Dodge Ram, 6.5 foot bed, PS2 silver. This one hardly has any damage because, like I said, it was like brand new. It has a little bit of a couple stone chips right there. This is all just fly potties and a little bit of tar on there. It's just some stuff that's from being stored that has happened to it. There's no damage on this top here at all. There's no damage down the sides. It's got a small nick right there. And other than that, that's all there is with this one here. Half sliding windows on the sides. This front here had a rubber boot in it. Had a window boot that the ARE puts in. It is missing. It's probably fell out. Sometimes that happens when they get stored for a long time and not against the truck. But we do keep that stuff on hand, or can order it in if we need to repair that window boot with. It's got a couple touch-ups in its life, but it was done at the factory. Nothing that really nothing here to see on the front either. The side has a little bit of a chip right here in the corner. Whole top edge looks good. The top of the cap looks nice. Nothing there wrong with the top. The bottom edge, I don't see any damage on the bottom. This one has almost no damage. It's about as close to new as you can get. Half sliders on this one as well. It's got a single T-handle in the back, locking T-handle. So it has some nice options inside. It does have the carpeted interior in here. It does have the pet screen options. The windows have been, we just washed all this cap in here, so, but it does not leak. We just checked that. Window boot for the front. Pet screens on this side. This has the dome light with the LED strip that runs down the center here. Yeah, this one, there's the build tag on this. It's ARE. It was built for 2012 Ram with the 76-inch bed, which is the 6-foot bed, 6.5 foot bed. PS2 silver. So there it is. This is a nice one. CX series by ARE. 09 to 18 Dodge Ram. 6.5 foot bed. PS2 silver. Cab High topper. Thanks for watching.